for you to get to. You have to understand that glory is not just Hikanamasha and a dancer, but a glory is a manifested power of God because of his love. It's the awesome display of his power through his divine love. You got to understand that the basis of this all is love, because God is calling you. God made you for a purpose. You got to understand that the Lord kicked Lucifer out of heaven because Lucifer would not praise him. Lucifer wanted to get above God. Lucifer didn't want to give God the glory back, so therefore he took his hands and he made us and he shaped us and he molded. That's why can't nobody tell me I came from no monkey. That's why can't nobody tell me I was just zapped here. And even though my parents had me out of wedlock, I'm not an accident. I'm here on purpose. So I understand that I have a purpose. I understand that I have destiny. And I understand that I'm here to give God all of the glory. I understand that I'm here to give God all of the praise. Because after all, if you don't give God his glory, if you don't give God his praise, you're nothing but a little mini Lucifer walking around. Because you don't want to give God the glory back. Touch your neighbor and say, I got